This video will demonstrate how to add, delete, dock, and undock blocks in your Vankel Hall course. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll notice these content areas that say Navigation, Administration, and Quick Mail. These are the sticky blocks you learned about earlier in this module. To add additional blocks in your course, the first step is to turn editing on by clicking on the gear icon and selecting Turn Editing On. Scroll down to the end of the blocks currently on the page and you'll see the Add a Block area. There is a drop-down menu where you can select the type of block you want to add. I'm going to demonstrate how to add an HTML block, which is where you can house your contact information for your students. When you add a block to your course, the default area where it will appear is at the end of the blocks that are currently available. To move this block to the top or to another location, you can use the directional icon by clicking with your mouse, holding, and then dragging the block to where you want in your course. Now that the HTML block is at the top, it's time to configure it. Do this by clicking on the gear icon inside of the block and selecting Configure New HTML Block. Here you can add a title, which is where you would put instructor contact information. Then in the content area, you can add your name, your phone number, your office location, and your office hours. Once you've added this information, you can click Save Changes. And now that block appears at the top of your course. To remove a block, simply click on the gear icon and select Delete. You will be asked if you are sure, click Yes. Additionally, you can hide or show all of the information in a block. This icon here will collapse the menu, and to expand, you can click again, or you can dock your blocks on the left-hand side of your screen by clicking on this icon here. Now the docked blocks will show up on the left-hand side of the course as tabbed menus, and when you hover over them, they will pop out. To undock a block, hover over it, and then select the Undock Block button.